Alrighty, a bit of an update what's been happening at our Bendigo renovation. So I'm here in the front bedroom. I've got an entrance there and a hallway through here, another bedroom over there. So originally this was all going to remain as a timber subfloor, but unfortunately as we sort of got into the renovation, we discovered active termites. So what we decided to do is to pull out the timber subfloor and just concrete a infill slab in between the brick wall. So as you can see along here, that's an external wall. And what we chose to do is a piece of XPS. Obviously got a fully insulated slab, and then the XPS continues up the wall, to stop that, the thermal bridge will provide a thermal insulation. And then what's going to happen is the walls will eventually get battened out, and they'll be lined with XPS in between the battens to insulate the home, because it's solid brick. You can't see it there, but it's a solid brick home. We've rolled out some AbleFlex, which is this foam here. Again, because we're pouring concrete within a masonry structure, we want our concrete to be able to move and not, be fully connected to the home. So yeah, it's important to allow for that movement. You can see here, obviously that's an external wall there. That's an internal wall. That here is with this is Anthony, the building designer's idea. He's just returned a piece of EPS or foil board back that way 1/2 metre, and that should stop that thermal bridging from that external corner coming into the slab. A few little things were done, like you can see here. So this is going to be a burnished slab in here. Down here where the entry door is, that I've actually cut this XPS in here, but because it's going to be finished, I can't really have that EPS or XPS sitting up as it was in those rooms, because there's going to be battened out. So I've actually had to chamfer this back on like a 45. Again, probably not perfect for performance, but it still provides that little bit of insulation, and the concrete's going to finish flush with that doorway there. Now we're in the kitchen here. We're done waffle pods in here, and it's not a structural slab, it's a non-structural slab. And that's only just to, it was so deep with, as the site went in, just to fill that void in and that sort of thing. So we just used 225 pods, and then we just got the normal 110 beams. But you can see over here, what actually has happened here is that's our 50mm XPS, but right down the bottom here, we couldn't butt that 50mm XPS down because there was a brick sitting there. I'll drop some footage in to show you what I mean. So what we've actually done is just put an extra piece of XPS in there to make sure it's fully insulated slab. So and again, these walls will be battened out. It'd be interesting to see how we go with air tightness here, guys, to see what we can bring this bad boy in at. Just trying to build better, guys.